So what's up, guys? It is time. The 2016 Southern California Motovlogger Meetup. Chaparral Motorsports in San Bernardino. That's where we're headed. I'm on an RDO. Got the day off today. I worked yesterday, I worked tomorrow. But today, I managed to get the day off. So I can go hang out and exchange some high fives and some laughs and meet some motovloggers, man. So hopefully it's a good turnout. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be. Last year was pretty big. This year will be bigger. I'm not gonna go to Palm Springs. I'm just going to Chaparral for a number of different reasons. Mostly because I have to work. Yeah, I found it. Right on. Now I gotta find some shade. That's priority number one. One thing you gotta know about motor cops is we do three things. We clump together in large groups and talk about how cool we are. And we always find shade and water. So if you're looking for motor cops, look for the shade and the water. We're like caribou. We herd together and we find shade and water just like caribou. What up, dudes?
Hey, what up?
What's up? Who am I talking to? What? I don't recognize.
R6 J-Man Motovlog.
What's up? What's up? What's up? I gotta find someone to What's up, guys? Oh, say right. That's funny.
Yeah, I'm
full on Casey it, dude.
Holy shit, bro. Where's your road mic?
Look at my, let's see, I got
stabilization.
I'll give this to another man in uniform, and we're gonna take a selfie.
You're Officer
Rappy,
Ross?
what's up, brother?
Oh, you've been so long.
up, man? Rob, how you doing? Good, good. Nice to meet you too. No, it's my personal one. Yeah, I couldn't bring the work bike out. Got to talk to Z-Man for a little while. Got to meet AGHB. She's a super sweetheart, and she's responsible for the design of my logo, the Officer Rob. The R with the O in the middle, and the O is like a rim of a tire, of a motorcycle wheel. So it's like the wheel and the R for Officer Rob. Kind of we put our heads together and then both of us kind of came up with that logo idea, and I love it. Well, that's it for me, guys. I had to peel off. Those guys are headed to Palm Springs. They're eastbound on the 10. Hopefully everybody rides real safe, and please be careful, guys. It's hot. A lot of people are dehydrated, and it makes for some crazy treacherous riding, especially when so many bikes are riding in such close proximity to each other. You guys just be careful, please. But I had a blast out there in Chaparral at the meetup. Got to meet a lot of really cool people. Got to chat with a lot of awesome people and exchange high fives. I love it, love it, love it. Had people coming up to me, they're like, "Hey, are you Officer Rob?" And I'm like, "Yeah, dude, that never gets old when you hear that, man. That's so awesome." This moto vlogging community, this motorcycling community is just really, really awesome. It's something else. So real excited that I was able to be a part of that. Yeah, next year, man. You know what? Next year I'll make it a point to try to make it out to Palm Springs if they have it there again. But Suburban Delinquent, you did an outstanding job of coordinating this and putting this all together. Baker X Derek and Z, you guys. I didn't get to meet everybody I wanted to meet. I saw Klaus out there. I didn't get to CEN 187. I don't know where he was at. But I got to meet Jake the Garden Snake. Got to meet Arson Rides. I saw Ninja Nero, but I didn't get to meet you, buddy. Snowcat was there, but he had a mob around him. So anyway, it was really cool to see all these moto vloggers in the same place, man. I had a blast. So hopefully some of the footage on the Canon came out. That camera has a hard time focusing, so there's going to be some, I know already there's going to be some soft focus issues, some freaking blurriness, which it just drives me nuts. But hopefully I got some footage that I can throw together and put together a decent vlog for you guys. It was really nice chatting with you guys. I talked with Mark for a while, Eric, Daniel. I'm really bad with names, guys, but everyone that I talked to out there, thanks for chatting it up with me. It was really cool. Had a really good time. Really humbled at the support, you guys. A lot of support for law enforcement within the motorcycling community and the motovlogging community. It touches my heart, and I just want to thank you guys. So that's it for me. I'm going to head home and get a shower, cool off. Me and the family are going to go watch a movie tonight. So that's it, dude. I'm out of here. Hey, you guys are going to say, where's your gloves, right? I left my gloves on my bike. I had black gloves on, black leather gloves. I left them on my bike. I came back to my bike, and I don't know where they went. You know, they're not in my saddlebags. Maybe I dropped them somewhere. I don't know. But gloves are gone. So normally I do wear gloves. Sometimes on my work videos you might see me not wearing gloves. They come on and off at work a lot. But for the most part I do wear my riding protection. It's 93 degrees right now. It's super hot. But yeah, anyway. So before any of you guys blast me for not wearing gloves, it wasn't on purpose. Alright guys, be good humans. Watch your six, guys. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Later.